Hello student, Namaste Sonalai. So today in this video, I am going to deal about types of placentation in plants. Types of placentation in plants. That is, basically I am going to provide you the tricks to remember the different examples of placentation. That is, which family of plants, which family has which types of placentation. So without wasting the time, let's move into the topic. So in first, I am going to provide you the tricks to remember the examples of marginal placentation. Marginal placentation. Marginal placentation, and the trick is male. So here we have male. So ma means marginal, and li means leguminosae, that is family leguminosae. That is family leguminosae has marginal placentation. And in second we have parietal placentation. Parietal placentation, and the trick is PCC. So PCC. So here P means parietal, C means crucifery family, and again C means cucurbitaceae. And in third we have basal placentation. So the trick is BAG bag. So BAG. So here again B means basal, A means asteraceae, G means gramine family, and in fourth we have axile placentation. So the trick is Somalia. So A means again axile. So here in first so means Solanaceae. Ma means Malvaceae. Li means Liliaceae, and A means axile. And in last we have free central placentation. So for the example of this, remember as FREEDS, Fritz. Remember as Fritz. So Fritz, free, D and S. So in first, free means free central placentation, D means dianthus, and S means salvia. So this all about the types of placentation. And one thing, if you don't understand the meaning of placentation or anything in botany or zoology, so comment below. I will definitely solve it or provide the trick. Or if you say, I will teach the whole chapter for you, the concept as well as the tricks. So this much for today. Take the screenshot and thank you for the class.